When I look at the S&P 500 today, I see somewhat of a mixed picture. On the one hand, we're at the start of a new economic cycle in a bull market. That's good. That means, that earnings are going to be trending up and the market should follow. But that said, we didn't get that much of a cyclical downturn in terms of profit margins. So a higher starting place for profit margins suggests a less potential EPS growth over the course of this next cycle. And then on top of that, the market has already hit new all-time highs. Typically, that doesn't happen for a few years coming out of a trough. And that's led to extended valuations. In mid-December, the S&P 500 was selling for 22 times forward estimates. That's a high number. But is that a true reflection of what's going on inside the index? And you peel back the onion and it gets a little bit more interesting. Today, it's just a small group of companies dominate the top ranks of the index by market cap. The top 10 stocks have a 33% representation of the overall index. That means that those 10 stocks have outsized impact on returns, on valuation, and most measures of the index. And to me, that suggests that there are probably opportunities outside of those top 10 names. So note how the equal weighted index has a much lower valuation and much higher earnings growth expectations. And so this is leading me to want to look down in market cap, look at more cyclical companies that are likely to benefit more from the removal of social distancing constraints and the economic rebound that should result from that.
This commentary is for informational purposes only and should not be used or construed as an offer to sell, a solicitation of an offer to buy, or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. Investing in an index is not possible. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal and fluctuation of value. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Please consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of a fund carefully before investing. The prospectus and the summary prospectus contain this and other information about the funds. To obtain a prospectus or a summary prospectus, contact your financial professional or download and or request one at touchstoneinvestments.com/literature center or call Touchstone at 800-638-8194. Please read the prospectus and or summary prospectus carefully before investing. Touchstone funds are distributed by Touchstone Securities, Inc., a registered broker-dealer and member FINRA and SIPC, a member of Western and Southern Financial Group. Copyright 2020, Touchstone Securities, Inc.